I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can copy an image link in Discord Mobile. So for example, here I'm on Discord Mobile and I have this image I want to copy. It's one of my thumbnails. Now, the way you can do this is that first off, you have to click on the three dots up here, and then you want to click on Open in Browser. Now, on Open in Browser, let's just wait for it to load real quick. Now, once here, you can see this is what it looks like on the browser. And the thing we want to focus on is, of course, the link up top here. You just want to highlight it. You want to long tap it and then just click on copy. Now you can see once I click on copy, I can paste this in on another website and it will still work. For example, here, if I go from here and I go to Chrome and I paste in this website here, I'm just going to click on paste and I click on enter. There you go. I have a image just like this from the link. So that is how you do it. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.